Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear children, we have to complete one portion of the unit number 3. Sodium chemistry, magnesium chemistry are over. Today we are going to speak about chemistry of nitrogen. Okay, in this one, we are today going to discuss about the chemistry of nitrogen. Nitrogen, okay, is a gas. Nitrogen is a gas. It's a free and diatomic gas. In the atmosphere, you will see nitrogen in this form. Okay, so nitrogen is written as N and N2. N2, two nitrogen atoms join to form nitrogen gas. Because two nitrogen atoms are joining to form it, it is into gas or diatomic gas. So it's a free and diatomic gas in the atmosphere. That is the first point you are given. The second point you are given, in the total atmosphere, nitrogen is the mostly occurring gas. 78.1% of nitrogen is 78.1% of atmosphere is a nitrogen gas. Second place only coming to oxygen, 20 to 21%. In the plants and animals, proteins, nucleic acids like components have nitrogen. In the unit number 1, you have studied it. In the soil, various forms of nitrogen can be seen. In the soil, there will be a black color material called humus. Humus is a soil organic substance having nitrogen. Remember, soil organic substance having nitrogen is humus. These ones, nitrates, nitrites, and ammonium, these ones are soil inorganic compounds having nitrogen. In addition to this, in the soil, there will be air. In that air, you will see nitrogen gas in this format. It is also N2 gas. It is also inorganic. So in the exam paper, if you are asked, what are the inorganic forms of nitrogen present in the soil, mean nitrates, nitrites, ammonium, and N2 gas, you can tell those answers. Organic mean only one form, humus form. Okay, they are present in the soil. Biological matter, plant and animals mean proteins have nitrogen, nucleic acids have nitrogen. Although all these details are there, here they are telling what are the physical properties of nitrogen. Nitrogen, actually, what they have written here is, although they say physical properties of nitrogen, they have written the physical properties of nitrogen gas. It is only applicable for nitrogen gas, not for nitrate, nitrite, ammonium like compounds. It is not applicable. Nitrogen gas physical properties, when you consider, nitrogen gas doesn't have any color, nitrogen gas doesn't have any odor. Its weight is, if you take its weight is, okay, is, your book says it is lighter than air. Okay, your book is telling that one, it is lighter than air. Okay, so it is low in weight compared to air, and its solubility slightly soluble in water. So color, no color, odor, no odor, weight lighter than air, and solubility slightly soluble, not well soluble in water. When you come to the chemical properties, okay, first chemical property you are pointed. This is also applicable for mainly nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is non-supporter of combustion. It will not support combustion. In the world, there's only one gas that is supporter of combustion, that is oxygen gas. Second, nitrogen has a very low reactivity. Very low reactivity. Because it has very low reactivity, to make it react, we have to provide high temperatures. High temperatures. Low reactive, no, very low reactivity. The high temperature will uplift the reactivity. In that case, in high temperature, nitrogen gas can react with oxygen gas, hydrogen gas, carbon element, silicon element, okay, and some metallic elements like magnesium and aluminium. Remember, nitrogen doesn't react with all the metallic elements. Some metallic elements like magnesium, like aluminium, will react with nitrogen gas. Again and again, I'm emphasizing that. Okay, your book is telling just nitrogen. Actually, it is nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas can react with oxygen gas. Nitrogen gas can react with hydrogen gas. Nitrogen gas can react with carbon. Nitrogen gas can react with silicon. Nitrogen gas can react with magnesium. Nitrogen gas can react with aluminium. To do all this, we need to provide high temperature. Nitrogen, okay, instead of high temperature, if you provide high or strong electric arc, how do you understand high electric arc? It is a very powerful electric voltage. A very powerful electric voltage. If you provide, then nitrogen gas will react with oxygen gas, okay, and will form a compound. The compound formed when nitrogen gas reacts with oxygen gas, it is a gas called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide, we mark NO. NO gas. You don't read it as no gas, it is nitric oxide's formula. This nitric oxide is a very stable compound. It will easily react with O2, oxygen gas, and will form another gas called NO2 gas, nitrogen dioxide gas. This conversion will be done. Okay, NO2 gas is an acidic gas. Nitrogen dioxide gas is an acidic gas. When it dissolves in water, it will form nitric acid, whom NO2. NO gas is not an acidic gas. It is a neutral gas. In the nature, the process called lightning gives a strong electric arc. So in the nature, nitrogen gas and oxygen gas are reacting and forming unstable nitric oxide, when lightning occurs. It is called unstable. Nitric oxide is unstable. It is called unstable because it immediately reacts with oxygen gas in the atmosphere and turns to nitrogen dioxide. Right. Further, nitrogen gas, can react with hydrogen gas. Nitrogen gas can react with hydrogen gas. When nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas react, they form a product called ammonia gas. This ammonia gas is an important industrial material. Why? Nitrogen containing fertilizers and explosives are constructed using ammonia. So ammonia is a very important raw material, right? That ammonia gas can be produced by making nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas to react with each other. Finally, nitrogen gas can react with some metals. Among them, one is magnesium, one is aluminium. When it reacts with magnesium metal, it will form the compound called magnesium nitride. When it reacts with aluminium metal, it will form a compound called aluminium nitride. These are the ideas given under chemical properties. Thereafter, you children are given uses of nitrogen. One use I already explained you, nitrogen is used to produce ammonia, and that ammonia can be used to make fertilizer and other nitrogen compounds. This I already explained you. Thereafter, nitrogen is used to fill in electric bulbs. Inside the electric bulbs, the filling gas is nitrogen gas. In thermometers also, we fill nitrogen. In places where, electronic devices are made, we will cover those places with nitrogen gas. When there are substances stored, then as a cover, we use nitrogen gas. In milk powder packaging, not only milk powder, in peanut packets, in TPT packets, you can see an inflated filling. What is there is nitrogen gas. Point it is, all these uses are related to one thing. Why we fill electric bulb, nitrogen gas, electric bulbs mean it is an inert gas. It doesn't involve in chemical reactions. Why we use in thermometers mean it is an inert gas. It doesn't react. Why do you use electronic device making places covered by nitrogen gas mean it is an inert gas? Why do you use nitrogen gas above storing substances mean it is an inert gas? Why are you filling milk powder packets, TPT packets, jumbo peanut packets with nitrogen gas mean it's an inert gas? Why are you filling vehicle tires with nitrogen gas mean it is also an inert gas? Inert gases, they don't do any reaction, just keep filling. When they react, the quality of these materials will be going down. So to keep the quality, they are filling those places inert gas. But the story of liquid nitrogen is very different. Liquid nitrogen is used as a coolant. It is used in refrigerators. Okay, AC, air conditioners. We are using it as a coolant. The component is kept cooled. Cooling agent. That is liquid nitrogen, not gaseous nitrogen. So those are the uses of nitrogen. Inshallah, shortly I will come back to you on sulfur chemistry. Thing it is, you first complete this one. I will give you the short questions of it. You complete the answering, then collect the scheme. Go ahead. Remember, continuously practice it, continuously work it. Good luck. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallahu khair.